Yo, what is good, everybody? That is right, guys. We could potentially be seeing the OG Yeezy 350 V1s coming out in 2020. Now, you may be wondering how I know this, and this is not clickbait. I'm gonna show you guys how I know this, and I have a method of preparing for Yeezys that could be dropping, like restocks and stuff like that. But before we actually get into the content, I am giving away a sneaker when I hit 3,000 subscribers. I'm giving away this pair of NMD R1 V2s. Right here it's a 9.5, and even if you aren't a 9.5, you can sell these because they are dead stock. So at the end of the video, make sure you go click the link to win that pair of sneakers. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how I figure out if shoes are being restocked. So basically what we are going to do is, here I'm getting a screen recording ready, is you go into the Adidas app. So I have the Adidas app right there, and so if I search Yeezy, so I'll be putting the screen recording somewhere up there, so just search Yeezy. It brings up a bunch of things that are in their system. So you have Yeezy, Yeezy Slides, Yeezy 350, okay, and then you have the Yeezy Boost, and then Yeezy Boost 350, and now that is the one that could be the potential restock of the Yeezy 350 V1s. And then, so today, they just added Yeezy Zebra. So, we could have the Yeezy Zebras restocked again, for the 5th time. So, I'm really hoping that we can get the restock of the V1s. I would like to get my hands on a pair of Pirate Blacks for retail, because Pirate Blacks is, that's one of my favorite Yeezys that's ever been made. So let's hope that they actually are doing this restock. And I actually have proof that this system does work, because we were just searching on there, and it brought up the Yeezy Citron, the Sky Blue, the Static Blacks, and the Lundmarks. And the day after that, they had a shock drop for those shoes. Yeah, it's very interesting. I don't know if Adidas is meaning to do this, but it's a very useful thing, so we'll just have to see. And tell me in the comments below if you guys hope Kanye is restocking the V1s. And if you want him to do that, give this video a like, and make sure to subscribe. And again, make sure to go check out the sneaker giveaway in the link in the description. But that's going to wrap up today's video. So yeah, give this video a like. But as always, thank you guys for watching.